Alright, y'all, this video was not planned in any way, shape, or form. I think there comes a time, or there's times in our lives where we need to step outside ourselves and really be thankful for what we have. Unfortunately, those times usually come whenever you hear about something happening, a tragedy, a life event, things of that nature. So our friend Rick from Welcome to My Cape Cod Life, part of our Coast to Coast crew, just put out a video that I will link down below. I'm not going to go into everything that he says, but Cliff Notes version, his cancer is back, and his fight and determination is absolutely awe-inspiring, and I want to hopefully just bring out all the prayer warriors. This man is not a man for pity. That is not who he is. I feel that if I was in that situation, I hope I could be as strong as he is showing in that video. I am incredibly sad. I've never met him yet. That will happen. As I want to meet everyone from our Coast to Coast crew, but y'all, we need to, if you believe in a higher power, if you believe in prayer, I am asking everyone to just keep our friend Rick in your prayers. That word cancer just scares the living life out of me, and anyone that comes down with it, my heart goes out, my prayers start up, and I am starting. He told me a week ago, so I've known for a week, and I've been praying for him, and but his video just really hit me hard just now. I just watched it, and I had to come out here, film a quick video. I want to get the word out. We need to pray for everyone in your lives, in our lives, in our world who has that just terrible disease, and let's lift Rick up in our prayers. Let's send out the prayer warriors. If you're a member of a church, please add him to your list of prayers. Just please. We all need this. We all need to be, being part of a community is just that. And being on YouTube isn't just about, making videos on this, that, or the other, or whatever the subject is. Real life comes into play, and certain things have to be put on the back burner. And I'm telling you right now, I am praying for you, Rick. You're my brother. We've never met, but you are my brother, and I am praying for you. And you have a whole list of prayer warriors already praying for you prior to me announcing this, and asking for the prayer warriors out there to please come out. Lift him up in your prayers. Keep him in your prayers. And let's help him in the only way that we can help beat this. And that's to call upon God to just bless him, his family, and keep him in your prayers. So Rick, brother, you've got a whole lot of people already praying for you. And I feel you're going to have a whole lot more coming at you. You keep up that fighting spirit. Absolutely blessed to know you, to have you as a friend, and you are absolutely being lifted up right now to battle this terrible cancer. And like you said at the end of your video, F cancer.